The 2009 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.